We had no idea of, this bacteria, this infection.
I can't say 100% this is the cause, but this is a known risk factor for this. Kylie is very lucky to be able to have a very good prognosis and early recognition and management.
What's not, and if you
I can't do everything that I was able to do before.
There's a possibility that it may affect her to where she may not be able to walk normally. And that the medical team, her pediatrician's office, everyone that has had a hand in her, our community, they all saved her life.